Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about your next chapter, chapter 2nd, caring for your computer system. It is a very important part for life. There are many important files and documents saved inside computer. And in case anything happens to them, we may lose all our important data. So proper care and maintenance should be taken so that they can work efficiently. Poor maintenance may lead to system failure. Regular care and maintenance may also help us detect issue at an early stage and keep the computer functioning well. So always care and maintenance of your computer system. A large number of files are stored in the computer. These files can be disorganized and fragmented and may result slowing down of the system. If regular maintenance of a system like installing updates, security checks, taking backups, virus scan, etc. These tips cover your devices, physical, housing and accessories and the environment in which you store and operate them. So first is always keep the computer parts clean by wiping them with a dry clothes. Means हमें हमेशा कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स को एक्सेसरीज को एक सूखे कपड़े से साफ करना चाहिए. Don't spray water directly onto the computer. कभी भी हमें कंप्यूटर के मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पर या उसके पार्ट्स पर कभी भी वाटर से डायरेक्टली क्लीन नहीं करना चाहिए. And next is keep food item away from the computers. Means don't eat or drink over your desktop or laptop. And next thing is replace or repair the hardware that is not functioning properly. Means we can change or repair those parts is not functioning properly. And next is install antivirus software and update it regularly. हमें समय समय पर एंटीवायरस को अपडेट करते रहना चाहिए जिससे कंप्यूटर में जो मालवेयर्स हैं, वायरसेस हैं, वो डिटेक्ट हो जाए. नेक्स्ट इज केबल्स एंड कॉर्ड्स शुड नॉट बी मिस्ड अप. केबल्स में एंड कार्ड्स में कभी भी गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. Remove unauthorized software from the computers and update authorized software regularly. Means हमें उस सॉफ्टवेयर को कंप्यूटर से हटा देना चाहिए जो भी अनऑथराइज्ड है. Always shut down properly. Because computer is a machine. It is holding down the power button until the system shut down itself off. Thank you, students.